So yeah, I thought I'd take another crack at cod corner today, and for a change, like, took two rods out. My regular beach cast that I usually take out, and a little boat rod, boat rod, and got a little bit of action on both saw action today, like. Got a nice codling out first cast on the boat rod, and a little bit later got another out on the beach caster. So yeah, I thought I'd be a bit try-hard with the two rods thing, like, today. Conditions were pretty foggy, like, and I did see a big seal float past at one point, like. Didn't get him on camera though. He's like gone before I could get the camera on him. So yeah, I hadn't set up my drop net fully, like, so I was having a bit of a problem getting it in. Luckily enough, there was some bloke passing by, and asked him if he'd help me get it in, and he was kind enough to give us an end, which is nice, like. So yeah, nice little codling out there. Good chunky boy. Made the session, that fella. Yeah, and then about 40 odd minutes later, I had this action go on, like. Wasn't much else in the way of fish. just cod bites today, which is pretty much how I like it. So another one there. Definitely not as impressive as the first, like probably half the size, but still good catch, and it's nice to get another one out. So yeah, I had my fun, had a good session, and got myself what I came for. And yeah, you don't need fancy gear. It's like a crappy boat rod. I think I paid like a tenner for that thing. And yeah, that caught the biggest one of the session. So yeah, good luck everyone if you're out over the next few days.